Here's something that could happen to your home if you live in an area where it snows or rains often. Now, the siding and the door is stained. Not only is the door stained, but they finished it in some type of lacquer or polyurethane. Now, the door is actually damaged because the snow in this area actually sat up against the house, or the water was dripping off of the roof onto the deck and then splashing onto the bottom of the siding or the door. Either way, this is not a good thing, especially if you have stained the wood and then lacquered it, put some type of a finish on it. Now the siding is suffering from the same problem. Now let's just say, you know what, I'm going to put a gutter up there and that'll solve the problem. That'll keep the water from dripping off of the roof and splashing off of the deck onto the siding and the door. That will help when you have water, when you're going to be dealing with rain. That will not provide you with everything that you need if it's snowing. A lot of times it will snow and the snow will build up around the perimeter of the home, and of course the snow will melt actually from the heat of the home, and once that melts and the wood remains wet for a long period of time, this is what it's going to look like. So just be warned, if you live in an area where it snows and you have put some type of a finish, wood finish on your doors or your siding, something like this could happen to your home. So wouldn't be a bad idea to paint your home if you live in an area where it snows a lot. So paint's going to provide you with a little more protection than stain would. So let's face it, stain is just some type of a material that soaks into the wood, and paint actually is a material that would cover the wood and protect it. So, you know, if you live in an area and you see someone's house that looks great, ask them what do you guys do? You know, what do you guys do to keep the house up? And a lot of times your answers are within your neighborhood. You just got to start asking some good questions.